Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go!
Absorbance questions get easy fast when you treat the graph like a proportional map, because one quick read lets you estimate the concentration cleanly.
Beer-Lambert law tells us absorbance is directly proportional to concentration when the path length stays fixed. And here, the cell is 1.0 centimeter, so a straight calibration graph makes estimation legit. Now read the graph at an absorbance of 0.28 and trace across to the line. Then drop down to concentration, because that matching point gives the best estimate directly. Since the graph is linear, the concentration paired with 0.28 lands around 5.6 times 10 to the minus 5 molar, so that matches option C. Well done! Option C! Scan now, don't rush the graph reading. Trust the given line and check each step before picking the estimate.